Good day, guys. It is Marnie here from Stay in Trading, and welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I want to share with you something that I believe is extremely important to share with beginner traders and traders that are on their journey to making their first 6 to 7 figures. So, if you feel like giving up, if you feel like running away and never wanting to see another trading chart, well, I want to share a couple of things with you before you make that decision. Hey guys, thank you so much for being with me here today. Today, I'm not going to share indicators. I'm not going to share trading strategies. I'm not going to share lot size calculators. I'm not going to share all these fancy things. I'm not going to tell you how great trading is. I'm going to be real with you guys today. It is literally the 25th of April, 2024. And I have had one of the most gut-wrenching weeks in trading. I'm making this video because I want you guys to understand that trading is not just all the fancy money and the fancy cars and the fancy things. Yeah, those are all things that you can have in your life in the future once you've mastered trading. But there is a different side to trading. There is really a different side to it, and I want to portray that side to all of you guys. I want you guys to understand that with the good comes the bad. With the ups comes the downs. And that is what I want to share with you guys in this video today. Because I literally annihilated 30% of my account. And it was gut-wrenching because I annihilated the 30% of my account, not because of my trading strategy being off, my stop losses being in the wrong place, my risk to reward ratio being wrong. None of those things. What knocked it out was this, because I was dealing with a lot of trauma and relationship issues, and it literally took my focus away from my trading. I simply placed a trade and didn't even do it properly. I just did it because I had to do it, because I had nothing else to do. So I just felt like, okay, well, let me use trading as my distraction. And that is a very bad idea. Do not use trading as a way of getting away from things. Go to the movies rather. It's going to be cheaper. It literally, I use trading as a means for me to break away from the things that are happening in my life. And I literally annihilated 30% of my account in a matter of 2 days. Not only did I annihilate 30%, but I also lost out on about making back about 40% on my account because I just wasn't present. For some odd reason, I would find myself being on the wrong time frame. I couldn't grasp why I wasn't on the right time frame. I didn't check my time frame. I was on the 5-minute chart instead of the 1-minute chart, and it ended up my signals conflicting and me not getting trades that I was supposed to take. And that turned out to be beautiful winners. And I'm sharing this because I want you guys to get the real crux of trading. You are going to have weeks like this because whether you want to admit it or not, you are a human being. You have feelings, you have thoughts, you have everything. And they will play a part in how you show up in trading. And it is okay to blow an account. I'm going to say this to you today. It is okay for you to blow an account. It is okay for you to not stick to your trading strategy. It is okay for you to not get the stop losses right or the take profits right. It is okay for you to feel like everything is blowing up in your face. That is all fine and dandy. You are allowed to feel that way. But you and me are making a promise to each other today that we will not give up. We will not give up. So if you're on that verge of wanting to give up on trading, if you're on that verge of believing that trading is a soul-sucking, money-sucking vortex, wait. Don't give up. The reason why you were drawn to trading was because deep down inside of you, you know that this is something that you would like to do for the rest of your life. You know that this is still the best way for you to make money, because I can literally make a year's salary in 1 month in trading. There is no other job that will give me this. And mastering these skills have given me this life that I have, and it's giving me so much more. But I had to go through this, and I'm still going through this. I'm being real. As a 6 to 7 figure income earner in trading, I am telling you guys today that it is still happening to me today. I am almost a decade into my trading journey, and I'm still making these mistakes. And if I don't share this video with you, and I don't share my life with you, then I am doing you a huge injustice. Because I can show you all my great trades. I can show you how I picked the winners. But if I don't come on here and show you the pain and the things that you need to overcome, then I'm doing you a massive injustice. So don't give up on trading. During this period, whenever you are going through a period of drawdown, you're going through a period of maybe emotional trauma, personal things, whatever. 5 things that I focus on, just 5. Number 1, I focus on sleep. Your body needs rest. A tired trader is a broke trader. If you're not sleeping properly, you will lose everything. So take the time to regenerate. Do not cut on sleep. Do everything in your power to make sure that you keep sleeping properly. Number 2, eat properly. During this time, you don't feel like eating, your nerves are shot, you are shaking. It doesn't matter. I don't care if you drink a protein shake. If you can't eat something, then go and buy a protein shake and drink something. Just get some protein and nutrition into your body. All right? Number 3, focus on self-development. I know you don't feel like it. I know it. I know it is so hard picking up this book and just reading some pages from it, because my mind is going in every direction. I don't care if you blindly read. I don't care if you listen to it. I don't care if you open up a YouTube video and you listen to something positive, but feed your brain positive things. Keep feeding it. Don't run away from self-development. Spoil yourself. I'm not talking about buying things. Run yourself a nice bath. Just go lie in it. One of the things that I love doing whenever I have a bad time is I would fill the bath with water, and then I would literally sink with my head under the water. I love that silence in the water, that I can hear my own heartbeat. I would lie with my ears under the water and just my mouth and my nose out, and I would listen to my heartbeat. And when I lie in that bath, I will then give myself positive affirmations. I will then lie in that bath and I will do my positive affirmations. There's something about the water and me verbalizing these positive things, these things that I'm grateful for. So that is very important, is pampering and loving yourself, taking care of yourself. And the last one is gratitude. For a moment, go into your trading history and be grateful for the profits that have come. Be grateful for the losses that have come. Be grateful for where you are in your journey right now. Be grateful for the people around you. And if you're really battling and you're struggling through this, then just drop me a comment. I'll give you a call. I will jump onto a call with you. I'll have a chat with you. But I need you to agree with me today that you will do these 5 things and you will not give up. There is a $1 million trader looking at me right now. There is a person looking at me right now that knows that if I give up today, I am giving up on generational wealth. I'm giving up on every single dream that I have had since I was a child. You deserve it. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult, but you were born to do this. Traders are people that gets up every single day, know that they are going to lose money, and look forward to doing it. And that is you. Make sure you take care of yourself and say after me, I am a millionaire trader. I am a millionaire trader. And I will not give up. I will come back to the markets because that's what winners do. We show up every single day. We work on ourselves more than what we work on our trading accounts, and we succeed. We are not going to give up. You promise me that? You promise me you're not going to give up? Then I will make a promise to never give up. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. And I know you're a millionaire trader. I can see it. I can feel I'm giving you that energy because I know that's exactly what you're going to be. And I'm excited to see your journey. I'm excited to see you get there because it is amazing. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with another trader that is at the point of giving up. Share it with as many traders as you can because the journey is real. Guys, and also hit the subscribe button. Join my community. I'm going to be dropping some really real stuff. I'm not like the rest of the guys on YouTube. I'm going to give you the cold hard truth, even if it makes me look bad. The reality is the reality. I want you guys to become millionaire traders because I know that there's so many of you out there right now that are at the verge of giving up, and you don't know that you are right at that cusp of unlocking everything in your life. So guys, as always, happy trading.